In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a photo and a paperclip at the bottom right corner. And then click on Audio section at the top. Now to add an audio file, click on it here, pick one of those apps and look for it, or use those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Either way, click on your file and wait. To add a video one, select the same icon and do exactly the same, just hit videos instead of audio at the top and tap on the chosen one. Then also look for it in one of those apps or in one of those sources. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!